This video is an initiation. This video is sent to you. Put on your fucking feed for you. I don't fucking know where this is going. But this fucking literally is sent to you because this is now triggering a remembrance. Let me know down below. What did you guys lift today? And if you want to work with me a one-on-one, go ahead and check the link down below. And in the comments, we have the iconic Healing Masterclass. Will teach you all the things that you can do either in the morning or sprinkle them throughout your day to help you manifest your dream life. Of course, if you have discipline with those things and finding other things that resonate with you. We also have tarot reading packages that come with the reading, obviously, but also a follow-along video EFT tapping, a guided meditation, and an affirmation rampage based off of the quote-unquote problems that I see in your reading. And we have the iconic manifesting coaching down below as well. Guess who got a test? Me. And I filmed a video. Also, I can't tell if my arm is going numb. My body has been feeling extra sore from all like the intense workouts that I'm doing, and I don't know if it's like in my head. How do I know if my arm is going numb? Because like, I don't know. I was just sitting here dissociating as I do, looking out the window. And I was like, I want to make a video, Spirit, but I don't really know what to make it on. So I sat there dissociating a little. And then I heard, you were born to be on stage. You are too pretty to be working a 9-to-5 job. You are too pretty to be developing scoliosis, hunched over next to that ugly ass coworker who has never heard of a shower and really chews very loudly while they chomp on their lunch. I'm sharing my Benjamin with you because I know that you've had a stressful life. And that stressful life is where you've learned to doubt yourself. Doubt your abilities and your talents. And I'm looking down at my tarot cards and staring at me as the goddess. Do you not know how fucking beautiful and magical and sexy you are? And for you, it might not be stages. For you, it might be owning your own company, owning your own business, being a personal trainer, having a spiritual-based business, or actually being on stage, actor, singer, dancer, performer of any kind. You are too pretty. God did too perfect on you for you to waste it, clocking in and clocking out, and asking people permission if you could take a break, or if you could take vacation, or if you could go see family. Fuck that. You are a motherfucking star, and you're here on a big purpose, on a big mission, on a very, very divine fucking reason for being here. I'm feeling called to pull my tarot. We'll just pull some oracle video. It's like, you know that you are meant to be iconic. You are a visionary. You're a go-getter. You're a self-manifested celebrity. You are a cycle breaker, a powerful, powerful ass being. I'm hearing scapegoat. So yes, maybe your parents blamed you for things, or maybe you were just constantly in their metaphorical boxing ring emotionally. Ooh, they did not know how to speak to you. But you are so talented and so gifted. And you're gonna show your family, even the family members that doubted you, that, you know what, anything is possible, and I know that you treated me like shit, but I'm still gonna lead with this pure heart of gold that I have. You're gonna treat your family so good with the success and riches that you have, and it's like, I'm almost kind of feeling like, why would you though? Why should you though? You've had a very tumultuous relationship with your family, and I think they might be most of the people that doubted you, but you're such a good-hearted person that you don't care. You're like, you know what, you're still my family, and I see you for what you are. They're a hurt soul. They're wounded souls based off of their upbringing and what they saw growing up in their childhood. But you chose to break the cycle, you iconic sexy bitch. You chose to break the cycle. You chose to alchemize and transmute all of that fucking pain that they have put you through, or that society has put you through, you sexy ass being. And by you just being you, you are showing your family and friends and people that you don't even know that there is so much more to this beautiful, magical life. Do you see the way the sun is kind of coming through and shining? You are meant to shine. You're too pretty, you're too talented to be sitting behind and clocking in, clocking out, beautiful. You are here to spread your joy, to spread your beautiful ass essence around the world. You're here to do your joy, to feel joy full time. You're here to sit at the tables that the people you look up to right now are sitting at. The people that you look up to are going to be asking you for advice, asking you how you did things. The sacredness of pausing. So I'm kind of seeing and feeling that some of you tuning in have just recently lost a job, chose to let go, chose to walk away, or got let go of, or whatever. But this is actually happening so you can kind of take a pause and kind of realize and your dreams and your goals again. This forced you to kind of recalibrate and say, you know what? I don't ever want to go back to that lifestyle. I want more. I want more. I want to be financially free. I want to be a star. You can. And it's not silly. I know some of you just thought it was fucking silly to be a singer, especially, at this age or when I look like this. Shut the fuck up. Why are you not taking strides to go after your dreams? You have this one life as you know it, and you're too scared. Like, live. Jump off the cliff. The universe will catch you. Yeah, I keep pulling this winter card. The sacredness of pausing. If things aren't working out right now, or if things are beating you up and making you so sad to the point where you don't want to leave your bed, it's because this current way of living is not for you anymore. You know that your intuition is telling you, like, I deserve better than this. And this right now being the feeling of not even wanting to move out of bed. The feeling of not even wanting to step out of bed, take a shower, go to work, because you just don't care about anything in your life, because you have this mindset of, like, this is my life for the rest of my life. Meaning clocking in, clocking out, being told when and when not you can and cannot take off, or, working these long fucking hours to basically make it by. Listen, I don't care. I was someone that was let go. I was fired, rehired. And I'm telling you, like, corporate doesn't care about you. Majority of corporate doesn't care about you. This video is an initiation. This video is sent to you. Put on your fucking feed for you. I don't fucking know where this is going. But this fucking literally is sent to you because this is now triggering a remembrance. Some of you are getting direct images and feelings of what you used to do as a child. Trust that. No, winning a Grammy is not too outlandish. Maybe for the fucking losers, the NPCs, but not for your iconic ass. No, grabbing a Grammy and Oscar is not outlandish for you. It is possible for you, because if it wasn't possible for your iconic, beautiful ass, you wouldn't have that mother effing desire. Don't start with me. Don't play small with your potential. Don't play small with your talents. Yes, I'm rooting for you. I'm in your corner. I'm pushing you towards your fucking dreams, because you are here for a reason, and you are worth something, and you deserve all of the good things. You deserve happiness. You deserve joy. Stop listening to the people around you and let this video really penetrate your aura and help you remember who the fuck you are, you handsome, sexy, beautiful, divine god, goddess, king, princess, queen, prince, anything in between, no matter what, bitch, okay? No matter who you are, what your story is, you matter. And you were put on this earth to shine. You have a gift, you have a talent, you have a voice. Fucking use it. Fucking use it. Mic drop.